ampalaya. Yeah. Eggplant. Yeah. Daghan ng bunga ang ampalaya, eggplant. Yeah. Farm sa ampalaya. Yeah. Going over there. It's finally daghang siyang tubig. Oops. Oh. Here. Okay. Sige na kung nagisubay na akong basakan kay basin niya daghang kuan ba worm. So always check all the time. Two months na ni siya karong 27. 2 months. It's coming 27. So ang rice kaning palayan is kuara ni siya until 3 months. Yeah. Daghara man day tubig. That's good. Lots of water. Oops. Very good. Daghan siyang tubig. Oh my God. So we need to close here. That one. So okay. More water. Cloudy.